You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
What's going on with your back now?
It hurts.
When this started? Thursday? How did you do that?
I sneezed. I was hanging out with a friend doing some project on the table, and I sneezed. I went, oh, darn it. But I'd known days before, because I've been surfing so much, that it's starting to get tight again.
So you get muscle spasm in the
Yeah.
back. How do you describe your pain?
Somebody threw a baseball and hit me right in the back.
Is it sharp, dull, aching?
Sharp, isolated, almost feels like a knot in the middle of my back, but then things start to radiate up to my neck. But most of it is, like I say, that small area looks like somebody, like it felt like I hit by a baseball.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency.
You know, 7, 8. I didn't sleep well. Every time I rolled over, I woke up.
You feel it in the back. Okay. So what's tight for you to move? What's range of motion?
Just breathing.
Coughing.
Take a deep breath. It feels like it's pulling across my lung.
Okay.
I'm just uncomfortable. Some movements, all of a sudden that small area feels like bam.
Let's move your neck. Let me see range of motion.
That feels good for where the pain is.
Extend your neck back. Down. Tight. Let's stand up. I want to see your range of motion. What motion aggravated, stimulated? You said breathing. What else?
Moving forward.
Bend forward.
Coming back up.
Tell me how much pain. Let's touch your legs. Back. How much pain?
Uncomfortable.
7. Okay.
It's gonna make the day bad.
Let's sit here, facing the camera. You're gonna feel a little bit cold. It's there.
A little.
Higher here.
Yeah.
Is that the scar tissue?
Yeah. When it goes higher.
It goes up to your neck. Is it okay to take your shirt off?
Yeah.
Let me know if you feel any discomfort. So it's going more toward your neck, then down to your back, to your hip. Let me know if you feel any pain with that. How many days you surf per week?
As many as possible.
Sometimes 7 days.
Not usually. Usually I have about 3 or 4 days. I gotta take a day off.
Yeah. You take a day in between?
No, I wait till I can't do it anymore.
Oh, man.
You go in the mornings?
Yes.
Until you don't get sleep at night.
Yeah, until I can't sleep at night. That's just tight up there. Right there's where the worst is.
Oh, in here.
No, down on the right from up there.
Okay. So I'm gonna work on the scar tissue there. Let me know if you feel any discomfort on that. Gonna feel cold. You said it's around here. Feel it with breathing, yeah? Or coughing, laughing,
Sneezing.
sneezing.
There's not much to laugh about when your back feels like this.
Yeah, when it's affecting your rib cage, you can feel it with laughing, sneezing, or coughing. Do you have a big one? Yeah, actually. It's probably when you feel it in your neck.
Oh, right there.
Is that painful?
Yeah, no, it feels wonderful.
Okay.
That was where the knot is. That's the one that bothers me.
Yes.
The others feel just as big, but that one bothers me.
That's why you have some restriction with your arm going upward, because it's pulling your scapula downward.
That's what it felt like.
So, yeah, it's not too bad here. So, can you tell a difference in your breathing now, or it still feel tight?
Definitely have relief.
Got a big one here too. Feel this one? All right, let's move your neck and tell me how that feels. It's nice. It's a little bit limited here.
The
So,
right is better.
where do you feel the tightness when you go to the left?
Pulling from the left to the right for some reason.
So,
Yeah, from here back.
you're
Yeah.
gonna nod here, okay. What about the breathing now? You feel this or it's
Better, much better. Still feel a little bit, but much better.
Let's bend forward and tell me how that feels. I'm not gonna clean the lotion now because I'm gonna continue doing more. How's that? You're touching the floor now.
It's better, but it's still there.
You still feel
It's the
it?
same spot,
Okay.
right between the shoulder blades.
You have a scar tissue on the other side too.
Might
And
be affecting it.
yeah, in here. Can you tell the difference here to this? Yeah. You're right-handed.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you surf, you use your right hand more.
I don't think so. When I
Or when
might
you
stand up paddling the right side,
Paddling more. Yeah.
the right side stronger.
That's probably why you have it here. Let's take this here. Is that too much?
No, you stand on it for all I care.
Not in front of the camera. We don't do standing.
Camera off, you're gonna stand on my back.
Did you see that massage for the standing massage?
I love those. I love it when someone walks on my back that doesn't weigh 250 pounds.
I don't recommend it to people. Hopefully they don't break anything.
My wife is tall. Feels wonderful. That might be part of my problem.
We're not gonna
No,
do a
but
standing
might
massage.
be why my back hurts. She won't do it when it's sore.
Just make sure if you're gonna do it that you have health insurance and put us on the speed dial.
There, come
Okay.
on now.
Let's move your neck. It was tied to the left. Beautiful. How's
Okay.
that? Yeah,
Yeah.
further. What about the breathing?
80% better.
80%
Still,
better.
that thing is
Shrink
got
a
smaller.
little bit.
Yes.
Okay. So let me clean that. Feel cold, okay?
Okay.
After I finish, do another test to make sure it's totally loosened up, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna feel cold.
That's not cold. Come on, you promised me cold.
We'll get some ice next time. Do you feel it here?
A little higher.
In here, yeah?
Right.
Yep.
There.
Squeeze your shoulder blade together. Relax, let go. Squeeze and relax. Shrug your shoulders. And relax. Squeeze your shoulder, relax. Okay. Breathe and tell me how it feels. No difference.
Substantial.
If 100% back to normal, where are you now?
Close to
90%? Okay. Move your neck. How's the range of motion now? Perfect.
much better.
No
Yeah.
tightness?
The tightness was coming down through my traps before.
You don't feel it now? Okay. Let's stand up and forward and see how that feel. Going down, because you said it was bothering you going up. You're touching the floor now.
It's not that far away.
Yeah.
Like I said, that thing's gone down to.
Just a little bit, okay. I don't want to cause bruise there, so we'll come to a little bit more next time. But
Okay.
the pain is subside.
Yeah, I'm gonna be able to enjoy the rest of the day.
Awesome, thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.